BJP's national spokesperson Pradeep Bhandari has revealed the details of the 450-page Sambhal report that was presented to the UP Chief Minister today. The report states that Hindus in Sambhal have reduced from 45% to 15% as compared to 1947. And according to the UP government's information department, this report not only discusses the violence that occurred on the 24th of November, but also details the number of riots that have taken place in Sambhal's history and what happened during those riots. Nikita is back with us to talk more about this. Nikita, a very important report. Of course, some startling discoveries also being made as to how the Hindu population has been reduced into a minority in Sambhal.
Well, absolutely. Explosive report of Sambhal handed over to Chief Minister today, and former UP DJP Arvind Kumar Jain and former IAS officer Amit Mohan Prasad, along with the Principal Secretary Home Sanjay Prasad, were also present. And big disclosures on Babar, evidence now, demographic changes, and also riots and terrorist network. A big confidential report today was handed over to Chief Minister, in which many serious and shocking facts are recorded about Sambhal district, and also according to information received from various sources, this report can bring an earthquake regarding the security and also social structure of the state. Main point which are recorded in reports are like evidence of Babar period found on Harihar temple, that has been clarified in the report, that evidence of Babri period has been found in the foundation of Harihar temple located in Sambhal, on which the historical dispute now can deepens again. And also big truth of demographic changes as well. As far as 1947 Hindus were 45%, and as far as Muslims were concerned, 55%.
Nikita, stay with us at this point in time. Mr. Bhuvan Joshi, SP spokesperson, also with us on the broadcast. Mr. Joshi, I hope you can hear me, sir.
No, yeah.
What do you make of this report, which obviously is quite damning in terms of the violence that has continued in Sambhal, some under your party's administration as well?
देखिए देश ये समझ पा रहा है और प्रदेश ये समझ पा रहा है कि जो देश का जो मुद्दा चल रहा है FIR का, और इसके साथ प्रदेश में जो PDA पाठशाला का जो मुद्दा चल रहा है, इससे भटकाने की कोशिश भारतीय जनता पार्टी करेगी। और धार्मिक पिच उनकी सबसे सुरक्षित पिच होती है, वो उस पर चुनाव को ले जाना चाहती है। 2000 इनकी सरकार पहले भी थी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की उत्तर प्रदेश में सरकार पहले भी थी, तब इस तरह की बातें क्यों नहीं आई? क्या कल्याण सिंह जी मुख्यमंत्री नहीं थे, राजनाथ सिंह जी मुख्यमंत्री नहीं थे, राम प्रकाश गुप्ता जी मुख्यमंत्री नहीं? केवल जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी देश में और प्रदेश में घिरी हुई है, अब लोग जाग उठे हैं और आज उनके पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं बचा है, तो इस तरह के बेफालतू के मुद्दे लाकर लोगों के प्रमुख मुद्दों से ध्यान भटकाने की कोशिश मात्र